to set photo as a keyboard theme on the Samsung S26 Ultra, first of all, you will have to start by opening a Galaxy Store, go for Applications, and you have to click on this plus and input that phrase, good luck. You will have to download this application, and it will actually allow you to get some plugins that will allows you to set photo. It's a little bit complicated, but it really works. Take a look. We have to download the theme park and the Keys Coffee plugins. Let's start from the theme park. When you already downloaded this, here when you go for the keyboard and click to create a new one, you can of course customize it with the colors, but the thing that you are looking for is this one. Click on the plus, go for your gallery, pick the photo that you want to use. Now it's here. And what you have to do right now, we'll just click here to download and enter the name. Keyboard. Click OK. Now tap on it once and you can just simply click to apply. And take a look. Here you can find keyboard with your picture.